What's good, YouTube? Yeah, we back at it again. Oh man, got my 5 stars back, so I'm ready today. Sunshine, and I ain't got no complaints, man. I don't know what it is, but it's like when that springtime hit, boy, it's a different vibe. Like all together, my whole energy changed. I mean, I'm cool with the winter. Like I can get shit done, put the work in. But man, when that springtime comes, it's like everything just clicks. But yeah, man, I had to take a little break from the videos. But it's a new month. Trying to, I don't know, I guess I'll try to make a weekly video. I keep saying daily videos, bro, and it's like that shit don't happen. Why? Because I'm busy. My life is busy. Man, school, work, stacking, innovating, just trying to think of different ways to get to the bread. Because to be completely honest, I'm feeling like Instacart, it might be about dead. Summertime coming, people gonna be ready to get out. Shoppers, like it's too many shoppers, just too many. Like it used to be, you go to the store or whatever, maybe you see one other Instacart shopper, maybe two, you talk a little this and that, get to know them a little bit, see what areas is popping, what areas is slow today. But now, it's like, man, I walk in there, there's at least 5 or 6 Instacart shoppers, not including the Shipt shoppers. So I usually rush in, rush out. I mean, I'm usually like quick with it anyway, but I used to not mind stopping and talk a little bit, but it's so busy now and so many shoppers now that it's like when you get to the store, when you get to the line, it's going to be at least, that's another 15, 20 minutes right there just waiting in line in stores nowadays. I ain't complaining though, that's how it goes. It was cool for a while, but I'm going to keep pushing as long as it'll let me. And when it slows down, that's it. It is what it is. Move on to the next one. Diversify. Do it for yourself. Make your own app, whatever you got to do. But I'm just giving a heads up from what I'm seeing in my area. It's like, I mean, it's still popping some days. On the weekend, it's on the weekend shopping is good. But overall, like just compared from what I'm used to, last week I thought it was because I had a 4.98. But now I'm realizing it's just too much. It's overcrowded a little bit. And I'm not even the type to complain about it, because even when I started, it was overcrowded. But now it's just like, now I'm feeling the effects of it, I guess. Yeah, though. So, that's just a little heads up. Is Instacart dead? Like, is Shipt dead? Are people done getting groceries delivered? I talked to my grandma. She said she used to get her stuff delivered all the time. She out there in Vegas. And now she said she's just doing pickups. She not really going, have people coming to her house anymore, which I understand. Honestly, as a customer, I would probably just go pick it up. Unless I was, elderly to the point where I can't lift heavy groceries or, whatever. Unless there was a good reason keeping me from doing the shopping myself, I probably would just do it myself. But that's from a guy's perspective, and I ain't got money to just throw out like that yet. So that being said, like, I'm seeing the change. I'm seeing the migration from Instacart being a necessity to it being a more of a commodity, more of like a luxury kind of thing. So I mean, just look out for that. Diversify before it becomes too late. Uber, Lyft, Grubhub, Doordash, Shoppers, whatever you guys are calling yourselves these days. Man, you just gotta you gotta try and see ahead and get on these Facebook groups, because that'll kind of give you a feel for what's actually going on. Yeah, you might see a $150 batch, but that don't mean that it's not slowing down overall. That it doesn't mean that you're still going to be able to make full-time pay like we have been this past season. My bad, man. It's like I'm waking up. I did one batch so far this morning. It's still early. I like to get up before the sun comes up. But now it's like, I'm kind of waiting on another one. So I figured I might as well throw a video out there. Hit me up. Any questions y'all got, like, let me know what area you shopping in. Let me know how well the tips are out there. If people are still tipping, because I go to areas where it used to be easy money. Now it's like people don't want to tip. And I mean, I don't even blame them, because sometimes some of the Instacart shoppers I see, it's like, man, I would not want that person coming to my house, dude. Like, man, so I don't blame some of them for not tipping or whatever, or waiting until they see the person and get a feel for the kind of service they're gonna get to do the tip. Granted, you're not gonna get good service if people don't see a good tip on there. They're probably the shoppers who provide good service are not gonna want to do that. But yeah, my bad, man. I went on a bit of a rant today. I'm gonna try to do a second video later on. Something more concisive and more like focus based on information, and something you guys can apply to your daily shopping. But just a tip for the day: people are in a good mood, keep them in a good mood, and maybe you get a nice tip, you know. All right, till next time. And Instacart strategies out of here.